How to search for products on AliExpress using images. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can search for products on AliExpress by images. To do so, first of all, open your AliExpress application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged into your account, you will land on this page. Here at the top, you'll be able to locate the search bar. Right next to the search bar, you'll also be able to see a camera icon. Tap on the camera icon, and if you are using it for the first time, you will need to grant permission to camera. Here you can take a photo of your products, or you may also upload an existing image from your gallery. To do so, tap on this Allow Album Access at the bottom and grant the app permission to access your photos. Tap on this Allow All button and now upload a photo from your gallery. After uploading or taking the photo, the app will process the image and display similar products available on AliExpress. Now from here, you can choose the one that you like. So by following these steps, you can search for products on AliExpress using images. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.